with Little Red River soap. And we are today going to be making autumn harvest. Is that what we decided to call it?
I think so.
Autumn
We've been working
harvest.
on this soap for 2 days.
More than that, we had to
With
make our
embeds.
embeds.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Plus
so
we grew the pumpkin going in it.
yeah, we're putting in about 5
there.
ounces of organic pumpkin that we grew in our own garden.
Right.
Yay! It's super good for you. We're going to put a little about this information on what pumpkin does for your skin. So it also has some pumpkin seed oil in it, a little bit. It has cute, adorable embeds that are going on the top with apples and pumpkins. And what do you think about that?
I think you should throw a flower or two on it.
We might, because we made some flowers too.
Yes, we did.
Anyway, so this soap is really special. We made up the fragrance out of several different ones because I couldn't find the perfect fall fragrance. It's got apple, it's got pumpkin, it's got ginger, it has, oh my goodness, nutmeg, cinnamon. And I just combined them little bit by little bit until I had the perfect autumn fragrance. And you can smell pumpkin, you can smell that apple up there kind of whispering at you, smell a tiny pinch of orange, definitely can smell the cinnamon and the nutmeg. So anyway, so excited, yay! So let's get moving on making this soap, and we will see you in just a few minutes.
That's right.
All right.
Ciao.
Ta-ta. there we have it. Our Autumn Harvest. I think it is a beautiful little soap. And I'm really looking forward to cutting it tomorrow and having a look at it. I can't wait to see the inside. My only concern is that it got thick pretty fast with that stuff, and I didn't get to do a great drop swirl, but I still think it'll be really nice, and the stuff in it is very
Top
good.
notch.
Absolutely.
Only the best.
So anyway, we will be back in a couple of seconds to cut it. And I know it gets old and silly after a while, but it'll literally be 24 hours before we cut this, and we will wait to post this video until we have it cut. We may wait to post it until close to when it's ready to ship. But anyway, keep watching. We will be right back, and you'll see this gorgeous, almost totally natural soap made just for autumn, fall, cool, crisp weather, and for you. Hi there, we're back. Well, this came out of the mold. It's been about 20 hours, and it's nice and firm. It came out just as clean as could be. So let's get cutting. What do you say? This soap smells so good. You guys, you smell apple, you smell pumpkin, you smell ginger, you smell those spicy cinnamon and not a lot of nutmeg, but definitely that cinnamon and apple. I mean, oh my goodness. You know how sometimes you can smell something and it just screams what season it is? Like you smell suntan lotion and you know, hey, it's summer, woohoo! You know, and it gets you in the mood. Or when you hear a great song that just takes you back in time, this soap does the same thing. It totally takes you back to when Grandma or Mom was making pies in the kitchen for Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner, and you could smell the cinnamon and the apples and even the pie crust almost. There's almost that fragrance in there. I mean, it literally just smells nearly edible. But anyway, I really hope that you guys will come and get yourself a bar of this one at littleredriversoap.etsy.com. It will be ready about the 21st of September. It may be sooner, it depends. I did do a water discount, so it will dry more quickly. And it's not going to last long, I promise you. Not only is it really pretty and cute, it makes a great gift, but it smells so good. And
smells like potpourri to me.
It kind of, I mean, it's just an amazing smell. And
nice and spicy.
It has so many wonderful oils and things that, I mean, literally organic pumpkin puree. And how can I know that it's organic? Because we grew it in our own backyard. And those pumpkins had 0 pesticides. They had nothing artificial put on them. The rain that came from the good Lord and good dirt in our backyard. So that's all. That pumpkin is awesome. It's awesome in the soap. And we hope that you'll come and get yourself a bar while we have some to get. Take care. We will see you on the flip side. See you soon.
Ciao.
Bye.